I do not believe in anything. It is not a question of God. I do not believe in believing. My approach is to know. And knowing is a totally different dimension. It starts from doubt. It does not start from believing. The moment you believe in something, you have stopped inquiry. Belief is one of the most poisonous things to destroy human intelligence.
Why do we force? So that we can learn to pick ourselves up.
Three great men sit in a room, a king, a priest, and a rich man. Between them stands a common sellsword. Each great man bids the sellsword kill the other two. Who lives, who dies?
Depends on the sellsword.
Does he? He has neither crown nor gold, nor favor with the gods.
He has a sword, the power of life and death.
But if it's swordsmen who rule, why do we pretend kings hold all the power?
I've decided I don't like riddles.
Power resides where men believe it resides. It's a trick, a shadow on the wall. And a very small man can cast a very large shadow.
I suppose in the end, the whole of life becomes an act of letting go. But what always hurts the most is not taking a moment to say goodbye.
हाय। तो ये थी हमारी हर्षिल की ट्रिप, जिसको मैंने तोड़ मोड़ के कुछ बनाया है। हर्षिल में हमने 2 दिन बिताए और पहली ही रात में बर्फ़ गिर गई थी, जिस वजह से सड़कों पे बर्फ़ इकट्ठा हो गई और हम गंगोत्री भी नहीं जा सके, क्योंकि रास्ते में ट्रक फिसल रखा था और हमारी बाइक भी फिसल रही थी। लेकिन जो नज़ारे थे वहाँ के, जो मैदान जो बर्फ़ से सना हुआ था, जो पहाड़ में पेड़ों के ऊपर जो बर्फ़ रुई सी लग रही थी, उनको देख के लगा कि गंगोत्री ना जा पाना इतना बुरा भी नहीं था।